Mastering the game. Understanding ahead of the game in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that can really add a spark to your conversations. Be ahead of the game. This phrase is a gem in the English language, symbolizing proactivity, foresight, and success. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you fully grasp its usage. Stay tuned to get ahead in your English learning journey. Be ahead of the game is an idiom that implies being in a position of advantage, often by acting early or proactively in a situation. It suggests that someone has taken measures that put them ahead of their competitors or has prepared so well that they are likely to succeed. The game, in this context, doesn't refer to an actual game but is a metaphor for any competitive or challenging situation in life, work, or play. This phrase likely originates from the world of sports, where being ahead means scoring more points than your opponent, thus having a better chance of winning. Over time, be ahead of the game has transcended its literal sporting context to be used in various aspects of life, including business, education, and personal development, to describe a state of advanced preparedness or advantage. Using "be ahead of the game" in your conversations can make your speech more colorful and expressive. It's perfect for situations where you want to praise someone's proactiveness or when discussing strategies that offer a competitive edge. Here are some examples. In business, by investing in renewable energy now, we're staying ahead of the game in terms of sustainability and future-proofing our operations. In studies, she always starts revising for exams early, so she's ahead of the game when revision week comes around. In daily life, I prepare my meals for the week every Sunday, so I'm ahead of the game with healthy eating. Being ahead of the game is not just a phrase but a lifestyle choice. Here are some tips to help you embody this idiom in your life. 1. Plan ahead. Always think a few steps ahead in your actions and decisions. 2. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends and information in your field. 3. Be proactive. Don't wait for things to happen. Take initiative and act early. 4. Learn continuously. Equip yourself with new skills and knowledge to stay competitive. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "be ahead of the game," and inspired you to incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, staying ahead of the game is about preparation, foresight, and taking action before it's necessary. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself using English more confidently and effectively in no time. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you advance in your English learning journey.